Yo, what's poppin' YouTube? It's your boy Q the Influencer, Chicago Q. We back up in this thing with another video, man. Something real light, something quick for y'all today, man. I wanted to get y'all that first look, from where I'm coming from, on them young Nike by You, Cactus Plant Flea Market, Blazer, mid joints or whatever, man. But before we get into that, yo, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and holler at your boy in the comment section. I want to know what y'all think about these things right here, man. Your boy been gone took a little time off. Your boy birthday just passed, man. So, I went to New Orleans, had a ball out there, had a lot of fun, but we back up in this thing. Finally, it's hump day. You already know what time it is. We got a lot of dope content coming your way too from the New Orleans trip, man. Y'all just stay tuned. Yo, but without further ado, as we proceed to give you what you need, let's get right into it. Okay. Give y'all a quick detail review when my personal pair comes in, but just kind of first thoughts. Definitely, creative. This, they described it as being like your grandma's favorite mix of blankets and curtains or whatever the hell. And I definitely say that's exactly what they look like, exactly how they feel. I mean, very different grades of material across the entire shoe. From this little knitting material right here, from like this teddy bear stuffing material over here. Got some felt right there going up against the the eyelets, the lace stays. Couldn't even, that's like a mesh there. It's like shiny, kind of polyester neoprene material, and probably my favorite material is whatever the hell this is that literally like separates. You can literally separate that like a curtain or something like that. Corduroy, the different colors, and the swoosh and the eye stays. As you can see, they kind of kept this side, kind of playing with the pink swoosh on this side. I mean, you could really go as hard or as light as you wanted to on this particular shoe, man. And it just really kind of stands by itself. Definitely got the custom Cactus, the signature Cactus Plant Flea Market inserts, right there. The foot bed, the left and the right. Y'all know the vibes on that. Really thick foam going around the ankle for support, comfort. And the crazy laces, which you could customize and get yourself different color laces as well. Not sure this dude, whoever designed these, did, but you can see the different type of material and quality on these guys, man. Very, very interesting. Like I said, this is a decent, nice little creative shoe. When my pair comes in, I'll definitely hit y'all with the on feet. But my first thoughts, first look at the Cactus Plant Flea Markets. Let me know what y'all think in that comment box. Be right back to it. Gang. Back real quick, man. Y'all holla at your boy, man. What y'all think about these things? Now, as I said in the video, my pair is definitely coming. Those are a little on the plain side. That was a 9.5, as you can see in the video. I do have a pair of these coming. I wasn't sure how I was gonna feel about the actual shoe. I like Blazers, but only the fly Blazers that you can really wear, and taste. The chucker, the mid-top chucker, kind of, height of these things are gonna be kind of interesting for me. But if you know me, if you know the kind of shoes that I rock, if you pay attention to my IG, I like colorful things, man. So, these were definitely a go for me, and I definitely put all the extra fixings, sauce, color, every swag all on top of my gym. A lot of these pairs have been super delayed. You know what I'm saying? Like, I just got an email the other morning saying that, they're almost done with my pair.
Bruh.
I don't know what that means, Nike. But, as far as I could tell, a lot of pairs aren't even expected to arrive until like mid-October, which is fucking crazy. Especially for such a... I mean, actually the materials are a little fall-esque, so, whatever. But I'm going to beat the shit out of these joints. I love them even more in hand. It's just a freaky little funky little shoe, man. And the Cactus Plant Flea Market touch, can't beat that. Yo, but that's it for your boy. You already know what time it is. You already know how we rocking. I haven't forgot, man. Giveaway, baby. I need that 1,000 on this channel. I need us to move. We gotta move. We gotta move. Like the video. Share the video. Holla at your boy. And of course, it's your boy Q the Flea, Q the Influencer. You already know how we rocking. As we proceed to give you what you need. Flu gang sick, man. Gang gang.
This Chicago.